Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not working or opening in Windows 10. If you've been struggling with Microsoft Outlook, refusing to launch, or experiencing issues when you try to use it, don't worry. There are several reasons this problem might persist, but I'm going to walk you through a clean, straightforward process that should get your Outlook back up and running smoothly. Let's start by accessing your system settings. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in App and Features. This will bring up the App and Features window, which is where Windows keeps track of all the applications installed on your computer. Once the window appears, click on App and Features in the left side menu if it's not already selected. You'll now see a comprehensive list of all the apps currently running and installed on your system unit. This list can be quite long depending on how many programs you have, so we'll need to narrow it down. Look for the search bar at the top of the list. It should say Search this list. Click on it and type in Outlook. This will filter the results and show only the applications related to Outlook, making it much easier to find what we're looking for without scrolling through everything. From the search results, look carefully for the Outlook app that's listed under Microsoft Corporation. This is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the official Microsoft version. Once you've found it, click on it. The app entry will expand and reveal additional options that weren't visible before. Click on these additional options to proceed to the next step. You'll now be directed to the Outlook specifications page. This page contains various settings and information about your Outlook installation. From here, scroll down through the different sections until you find one labeled Reset. This is the section we need to focus on. Within the Reset section, you'll see an option called Repair. This repair function is exactly what we need. Simply click on it, and Windows will begin repairing your Microsoft Outlook installation. What this does is clean up all the settings and configurations that may be preventing the app from opening or working properly. It essentially refreshes the application without requiring you to uninstall and reinstall it, which saves a lot of time and hassle. The repair process will run automatically and fix any corrupted files or settings that were causing Outlook to malfunction. Once it's complete, try opening Outlook again and it should launch without any issues. You've successfully repaired your Outlook installation and resolved the problem. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.